Do you know how many times we have to sleep? Just turn, roll our bed. And how many times we have to visit the fridge just because we want to eat? And all the boring times we just have to ourselves without doing nothing. But anyway, guys, it's getting easy little by little. But today we're just going to talk about things that we did that just got us engaged in skydiving. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Layomi, and you know how we do it. You have to subscribe, click the like button, share, make sure you comment so I have to know what you guys think about my videos right now. So number one thing that really got us engaged during this, like, have you seen the way these notifications just pop up on your phone like taran taran taran? What is going on? It's just our celebrity just being insane with each other, like they just have to talk to somebody. Anyway, sometimes I don't really see anything really important about what they're saying, and sometimes some of them are just confessing about some past things that we don't even know. But it's a very fun place to always visit, because you just see them yarning some bands that you're like, really, this happened to this person is attacking this person. But Instagram live is what I'm talking about. It was something that whenever you open your Instagram, even before opening, you had a notification ringing, and you just have to visit one or two pages just because, okay, let's see what this person is doing, let's see what is going on and all. But do you know what? Netflix was like, man, we had a lot of movies that came out. You know your favorite series, like, you know what I'm talking about. You know the movies that really caught your attention. You know the reality TVs, like, God, it was really interesting anyway. But at some point, it can be boring when the movie is not really interesting or you're not really getting engaged with what you're watching. But this stuff really kept us engaged. I watched a lot of interesting movies. You know, you have the Money Eyes, you have the Too Hot to Handle, Love Is Blind. There are some of these I have to talk about because they're like, at a point I'm like, really, what were these people thinking? Most of these are reality. Trying to be like, I won't be surprised if Nigeria start imitating them, because it's something they can do. We have various reality shows now that are popping up and stuff. Wow, another thing was, oh my God, TikTokers. I'm on this table and I'm about to break it. TikTok made us feel like we're actors or Genevieve or whatever. Just because we have to mind. But anyway, it was not easy. I did some, but I don't know. But it was just like engaging, and it made us just feel like, oh, we're acting. But yeah, I did a lot. If you guys want me to share, probably I'm going to just put it in this video. Yes, you guys are going to see.
Don't do this, Alice. Talk to me.
I am talking. Fuck off.
No, I'm sorry. You misunderstand. I didn't mean to.
Yes, you did.
I love you.
Where?
What?
Show me. Where is this love? I can't see it.
It was fun. Like, TikTok was fun for me, and it was part of the things I had to do. I know. Another one is, you know what I'm talking about. You, the girl that you're leading the guy on. Hi, hello, what's up? What did you drink? What did you eat? What did you touch? Sister, what's happened? It is just because of quarantine now. You know you're not going to talk to this guy again. But why are you flirting? Like, flirting was like a major thing. Like, you just didn't. This thing will end in tears. Oh. Even if some of it's already ending in tears, like this period, the quarantine is not home. But it was just like, some people have just saying, the girl loves me, and I'm like, oh, uncle, what is this? And to those guys that say, can you send me this picture? Uncle, what are you asking for? Could just be straight, be direct. Because of quarantine, you think you can have time. Someone say, okay, but can we go out? When quarantine was not on, you did not know that we're meant to go out. But now, you can say, oh, can we go out? Go out what? Please excuse me. So, another one I'm going to talk about was that flirting. Flirting was just like a crazy one at that. So, we had the movies, we had TikTok, we had Instagram Live. And trust me, I'm going to talk about your Don't Rush, Bob Daddy, the Mikasa people. Ha! Challenge, what happened? It would look like we really helped these people to blow their music because we're at home, we're bored. What happened? Any little thing. That train of brush is not easy. We actually thought it was easy, but yes, I tried it, just did not get to the ground. Yes, it did not get to the ground. Trust me, you don't want to see it because how you were trying. Me are catching this brush, but brush is not coming now. But well, it was fun. But at the point, some people's don't rush. Like, did they force you to do it? It was not by force now. And then we had I really want to tell you how my day went. You're just doing duets with TikTok, making you feel like you're with your favorite celebrity. Like, huh, my sister, it's because they were bored. You too, you're bored. Both of us, boredom. But anyway, these things happen all in the name of the lockdown. And to those that were in isolation center, do you know somebody that have corona? I don't know if you know, but yes, corona is real. It's not me that will tell you that corona is not real. But stay safe. And these challenges. And we can't wait. We can't wait to see things that really got that we're missing. Like, I will miss a lot of things, trust me. Yes, I mean, you know those things that we really miss, that we can't just wait to go out to enjoy. And I'm talking about those bottom pot jollof rice that we eat at our regular Owambe parties. Ha! Or those amala and ewedu with those pepper. You know what I'm talking about. I miss those meals so much. Or you want to tell me all those Owambe songs, the live bands. My favorite for this one is when you hear those, Alexa, please play me Kwamon songs. Hey, you know all those ginger and vibe, like, you know what I mean. Yes, thank you for that song. But Owambe parties is something we don't want to miss every Saturday. Like, we just enjoy this party. I can't wait to go to one and slay. You know what I mean by slaying? Like, giving them those style that's badass style. But I just pray those tailors will not mess you up. Trust me. But don't worry, we just have to turn up. Another thing we really miss, you know, the worshippers that go to the house of God, and you know, and the Muslims that go to pray. Yeah, a lot of people really miss church. I miss church just because, do you know those Sundays praise and worship, like those beats, in the house of God, and the kind of dancing steps sometimes you see, oh my God, it is bam, like, when I mean bam, yes. And here, your pastor preaching, but trust me, to be honest with you, I really miss praise and worship. Like, those were the real deal of churches in Nigeria. And those people that they used to come to church to beef because of your dressing. Please now, how far, sister? Wear your way. You're coming to church, the house of God. I don't know why you're beefing the next person's dressing. But anyway, we really miss going to church and mosque. Yeah. Another thing people miss is clubbing. A lot of people miss getting high. Like, popping your vodka, your champagne. So, those of you that really miss clubbing, those late night hanging with your girls turning up and giving those jam music to your ears. I know you really miss it, but what can we do? Mrs. Rona and Mr. Rona said we should stay at our house. So, social distancing is very important. So you just don't have to do that. Another thing I really miss is going to the cinemas. Like, the cinemas just give you this kind of feeling that this sound, the visuals, like, wow, not like we can't watch movies at home, but just this, I'm out of my house, I need to meet people. Really, yes, we really miss the cinemas. Our latest Nollywood movies that's always there. But even our favorite Hollywood movies too, they're not coming just because of Corona, and they cannot make their money because of it's not in the cinema, we're not enjoying it, and those popcorn feelings, like, you know how we crunch them. Exactly, we miss that. Also, we can't wait to go back to that feeling. Another thing is our regular hangout, our favorite restaurants. This delivery and take out go work. We're not buying this food because we want to sit down in our house to eat it. We're just buying them because it gives us those time to take our lovely pictures, and you just like, you know, when you take your pictures and you're just like posting for the gram, and those feelings that I'm snapping my meal and all. But now that you have them bringing it to your house, what has changed? Who knows that I got it from so place I got? It's still in my house. I did not step out. So I really miss hanging out with friends. Your favorite restaurants, like, those meals are bam. Yes. But anyway, we can't wait to go back to those life. Really, like, we really can't wait. So keep staying safe, because Corona is still outside. Because you know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, somebody's auntie and uncle and friend that knows somebody that have Corona. And if you don't know, please still stay safe, because that is very important. Stay safe. And thanks for watching this amazing video. Like I said, yes, you you watched this video, did you click that subscribe button? I mean, it is just right there. You don't have to pay a dime. Click the subscribe button, share, comment. I love you. See you next time. Bye.